Hello, my name is Keith and welcome to the second part in our video tools series. I help early stage entrepreneurs get customers by showing them how the best in the world do it and ultimately implementing sales for them, whether it's campaigns, techniques, prospecting, tools in this situation. I have to know all the tools that we need to know for doing business, making sales, and quick screen recording software. I really hope this works because I'm using the tool whilst recording it and using it at the same time. This is Screencast-O-Matic. Really simple. You just press record, couple of buttons, and bang, your screen is being recorded. There's lots of different settings. This is one I went through a couple of minutes ago. Spelt it completely wrong. Who cares? WHE or whereby. And yeah, there you go. I have an upload. I can save it on my computer. I can upload it to, they give you a little bit of hosting. I can put it straight on YouTube. I can put it straight on Drive. And I can, tighten it up a bit, or I can just go into edit. Now, it has all the edit features you could possibly need. I'm not really going to go into, too much detail, but, you can cut, copy, hide, insert, narrate, overlay, replace. You pretty much do anything you need to do. Now, this is not a full editing suite. You'll find that out the hard way. This is just sort of, quickly putting things together, which I think works perfectly if it's tutorial stuff like that. We can also add music, change the aspect, cursors, webcams, captions. It's basically a really simple tool that can just let you do what you need to do. We want to go from here. We want to cut this part. We want to cut here. We press OK. Then we carry on doing what we're doing. And there you go. Lovely and simple. But as you can see, it's just got the one timeline. You can't separate your video tracks with your audio tracks and do editing. Anyway, there we are. When we're done, we just press done. There's captions. There's loads and loads of fancy stuff in here. There's no point going in. You can add closed captions. You can add text in there and then read the text as a narration function. And when you're done, we just upload to our YouTube station, loading, CoFounder Club, title, all the details, boom, gone, and you're ready to rock and roll. So there we are. For screen share tools, there are loads and loads of tools out there. Right or wrong, why do I choose this one? Because it's the best? Absolutely not. It is not the best. However, it is $19 a year. And I'm sorry, but for $19 a year for what this thing can do, the simplicity, the ease of use, you should see a link below. My name is Keith. I help early stage entrepreneurs get customers, make sales, get things done by showing them how the best in the world do it. And for simple tools, Screencast-O-Matic is the tool you want to be using.